Welcome to Idemili North and South Local Government Area of Anambra State, Southeast Nigeria. The area is made up of 17 homogeneous communities with a common ancestral, cultural and social values. Recently, the people of Idemili land rolled out the drums to celebrate Idemili Cultural Day. The event, which took place on Saturday, 25th of September 2021 at Igwulibe Civic Center Stadium, attracted sons and daughters from Idemili land. The people were joined by associates, friends and well-wishers from different parts of the country to mark the celebration. For the people of Idemili, the celebration is one of those events that create opportunity for them to fraternize, renew and reaffirm their brotherhood. It also creates ample opportunity the traditional rulers, community leaders and the people to rub minds on common issues that will bring development to their community. The celebration of the rich cultural heritage of the people of Idemili is usually to honor some of their illustrious sons and daughters who have made significant contribution to the progress and development of Idemili land. And so it was on the 25th of September 2021 when the entire people of Idemili North and South during the Cultural Day celebration seized the unique occasion to confer the prestigious chieftaincy title of Igwulibe Idemili on their illustrious son, High Chief Emma Frank Okafor. The conferment of one of the highest chieftaincy title on High Chief Emma Frank Okafor was approved by all the 17 traditional rulers in Idemili North and South local government area. Decorating High Chief Okafor with his regalia of Igwulibe Idemili, the paramount traditional ruler of Ojoto Kingdom, His Royal Highness Igwe Gerard Mbamalo, supported by the chairman Idemili Council of Traditional Rulers. With the conferment, the Igwulibe Idemili now become the official ambassador of his people. In his acceptance speech after his conferment, the Igwulibe Idemili expressed his joy and happiness for the recognition and honor accorded him by his people. High Chief Okafor, as part of his appreciation to the entire people, announced the donation of 5 million naira for the completion of skilled acquisition and mentorship center project in Idemili community. The conferment ceremony was attended by family members, associates, friends and well-wishers of High Chief Emma Frank Okafor, as well as members of the Ojoto Royal Cabinet who were on ground to honor him with their presence.
Today that we have to get together and remind ourselves that we are one culturally, otherwise. And let people know that in whatever way we must not be allowed to be used by any other person to divide.
They described High Chief Dr. Emma Frank Okafor, Eze Uzu Onwa Ojoto, as a true and worthy ambassador. The conferment of the most prestigious chieftaincy title on him was well deserved. Some of the guests who graced the occasion took time to eulogize High Chief Emma Frank Okafor for his magnanimity and his contribution towards the development and progress of Idemili land. High Chief Dr. Emma Frank Okafor, Eze Ozu Onwa Ojoto, Igwulibe Idemili, hailed from Ndiabo village, Ojoto, in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. He is the chairman, chief executive officer of Marco Polo Groups of Company, an astute business mogul, a born humanitarian and philanthropist. The Igwulibe Idemili has made his mark in the real estate sector. High Chief Emma Frank Okafor is the current president of the prestigious Diamond Fitness Club of Nigeria. He is married with 4 children.